Good morning, dear students. Now here we will start a new chapter of English grammar. The chapter name is writing a diary. Come on the chapter. A book with spaces for each day of the year in which we can write down things we have to do in the future. A book in which we can write down the experiences we have each day, own private thoughts, feelings, etc. So in diary we write our feelings, thoughts, emotions. Now here we get the format of the diary writing here, and the question is, you have to see question number 2 of exercise. Imagine that you have seen a very good movie today. Write a diary entry saying how you enjoyed the movie. So first you have to write the diary in box. Firstly you will write the date. So date is here, write date. So 21st January 2021 if I am writing today. Next, time 3 p.m. Today I watched a movie. The name of the movie was Titanic. It was a very great, we can write here, it was a very good Hollywood movie which focused on the love story of a poor boy and a rich girl who was about to get married to someone else whom she did not like. In the end of the movie, both were on a voyage means in Hindi we say Samudra Yatra. On a voyage, the ship sank, but the poor boy saved the girl. At last, the boy died when he was saving the life of the girl. I love the movie very much. And at last, the name here of the writer who have written the diary. Understand? Dear student, now we will start a new topic, and the next topic is essay writing. So we will know here how to write essay writing and what are the points that are significant in essay writing. We will know here. An essay is a short piece of writing about a subject. The word essay literally means an attempt. So a basic essay consists of 3 main parts: introduction, body, conclusion. In introduction we will introduce to the topic to the reader, understand, and in the body part we go through the main points, and in conclusion we will give the gist of the topic. Understand? We will give the gist of the topic. So what are the things that are necessary here? We have to know, if you are going to write an essay, you should have a clear idea of the topic on which you have to write. Understand? So you have to think about the topic and you have to set down the points that are coming in your mind. Afterward, you will bring related ideas together and group them in paragraphs. Afterward, you will keep the ideas in a paragraph. Understand? Afterward, you will take care about the structure of each paragraph and then the order in which the paragraphs are to be put. Just as it is important to connect your sentences within a paragraph, it is necessary to rethink your paragraphs. The paragraphs should be arranged in a logical order so that the thoughts may flow smoothly from the paragraph in another. Understand? So you have to pay attention especially pay attention to the beginning and the ending of the essay. Understand? So, three things are needed: introduction, body and conclusion. In introduction, you will relate to the topic, you will tell about the topic. Afterward, introduction means you will introduce about the topic and you will explain about the topic. You will include points, paragraphs for the topic, related topic, and you will give the gist of the topic in conclusion. Understand? So, suppose that your topic is my aim in life. So, you will in introduction you will tell about aim, what type of aim must be. You will tell about the aim. Understand? You will tell about the aim with quotations, with thoughts in introduction. Afterward, in body part, you will tell about your aim. You will tell in detail in paragraphs, and in conclusion, at last, you will give the gist of the aim. Thanks for watching the video.